Have you ever heard the phrase, trying to get a quart into a pint pot? The amount of information required when ordering a made-to-measure garment is huge. This is difficult even for an experienced clinician. However, it is the nature of the beast. Legibility is key. We all write differently. We're all in a hurry. This is a major cause of delay and misunderstanding. Even if there's only one small measurement that's illegible, then the order cannot be sent for manufacture. Changing what's written also causes confusion due to unclear information. Along with missing information or accidental typos, these could all potentially result in having to get the patient back to remeasure. And so, the Made-to-Measure online ordering tool was born and has been designed to simplify the ordering process, from choice of garment, through to the input of measurements, to a summary of the order, and a GP referral with all necessary prescription information. It's impossible to miss anything out. It's easy, just answer the questions. Positioning accessories is clear and simple. Just enter the height and width of the strip or pocket. Then simply place the center of the accessory on the diagram. You can choose patient choice for fast-track delivery direct to the patient, making the process streamlined for maximum efficiency. The key to the process is the unique ID. This ties the completed measurements to the order throughout its journey, from clinician through to the prescription and back to Sigvaris, where the measurements are ready and waiting for the order. Use the unique ID to review the progress of all orders. Also to duplicate orders. You can easily make a copy and make small changes without re-inputting all the data again. Plus, you can cancel orders. Once you've registered, you need to complete your details only once, ever. Each clinic can have multiple logins, and each time a new order is initiated, the details are pre-filled, saving precious time. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our clients have to say about the Made-to-Measure online ordering tool. Using the Sigvaris online platform and especially selecting the patient choice option has made a huge difference to my patients, me, and the clinic. The digital platform is very easy, prevents errors, and is less time-consuming. Also, I'm able to trace patient compression hosiery in the online platform. Patients now get their hosiery delivered on time, and I've not brought any patients back for remeasuring except during their normal follow-up review. Say goodbye to confusing and time-consuming paper forms. We believe the Made-to-Measure online ordering tool will simplify the ordering process, increase accuracy, and reduce patient waiting times. Ask the Sigvaris team to book a demonstration meeting for you. You can find your local business development manager on our website at sigvaris.com or contact customer services on 01264 32 6666 or email us at customerservices@sigvaris.com.